Telegram login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can solve the login problem on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to solve the login problem on Telegram, basically there could be many type of issues that you're facing. Maybe you are not receiving the code that they have sent you, or maybe for some reason you don't remember the password, whatever issues you might have. First of all, make sure you have access to the phone number where it is on which account you're trying to log into your account for. After that, you can hit the arrow icon. Now when you hit the arrow icon over here, normally you might think that they will send an SMS in the messages app, which is also absolutely true. They might send an SMS on the SMS app itself, but that's not always the case, because if Telegram notices that if your account is still logged in on other devices, let's say your account is still logged in on your desktop, it is going to send a verification code to the Telegram app on the desktop or your other devices where your Telegram account is still logged in, which in that case you'll find the option to log in via SMS if that actually helps you. And only after you get login via SMS option, then you'll be able to get the code via messages. Otherwise it's going to send it to the previous devices. If you're not getting the code and still having some login issues, do not try from the same page over and over again. Close the Telegram app completely, long press on the Telegram app icon, tap the I button here, then go to storage, go to clear cache, go to manage storage, and then make sure to clear all the local database as well. And after that you should be able to log into the Telegram. Just make sure you have access to your phone number. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.